Possible Finance can fail to connect to your bank when your login credentials change. Your bank blocks third-party access, or the app can't verify your account data through its connection provider. By the end, you'll know exactly why the bank connection fails, how to fix it step by step, and how to stop it from breaking again. Start with the most common issue. Incorrect or outdated bank login details is the #1 reason the connection fails. If you recently changed your bank password, the app will still try to use the old one in the background. That instantly breaks the sync between your bank and Possible Finance. The fix is simple. Remove the bank connection inside the app, then reconnect it using your updated login credentials. Now look at bank security blocks. Some banks automatically block third-party apps from accessing account data. This is a security feature, not a glitch. It stops outside apps from pulling information until you approve them. To fix it, open your bank app or call support and allow third-party or external account access for financial apps. Now talk about connection provider issues. Possible Finance uses third-party services to connect to banks, and sometimes those services fail to sync. When that happens, the app may freeze on the connection screen or keep loading without completing setup. The fix is to restart the connection process and try again after a few minutes, because these systems often recover quickly after temporary outages. Now, check app version problems. Outdated app versions can prevent bank linking from working properly. If your app hasn't been updated in a while, it may not support the latest bank security changes. Updating the app from the official store usually fixes this type of issue immediately. Now look at bank compatibility. Not all banks connect smoothly with every financial app. Smaller banks or credit unions sometimes require extra verification steps or may not support instant linking at all. Now here's a simple reset method that fixes most connection failures. First, log out of the app completely. Second, delete the existing bank connection. Third, update the app to the latest version. Fourth, reconnect your bank using fresh login details. This forces a clean sync between your bank and the app system. Here's the key breakdown. Possible Finance bank connection issues usually come from outdated credentials, bank security blocks, app version problems, or temporary syncing errors. Most of the time, the problem is not your account, but a broken connection path between systems. Quick recap. Update credentials, check bank permissions, refresh the app, and reconnect the bank from scratch. Next step is simple. Start by removing your bank connection and adding it again before trying anything else, because that solves the majority of cases. Like and subscribe for more clear fixes for money apps and banking tools without the confusion.